Hey guys, happy February the 13th and welcome back to the Little House Updates. So this I think is going to be the last update that I post before we move into the house. We're not yet finished, but we are so incredibly close. So I just kind of wanted to take you guys around and show you what all we've done to the house so far. We've come such a long way. It has been such a journey, but it is, I mean, it's almost finished. We are so stinking close. So that's really exciting. So I'm going to share with you some of the house, and yeah, let me show you what you're here to see. Okay, going from the outside in. Here we are in the living room. We've still got to get our baseboards and crown molding up, but then this room will almost be done. I still need to go back over and just do a little soft sand on the floor and then put the stain down, and then this room will be done and we'll be ready to move into it. Then right off the living room is our bedroom, and I'm about to go back and stain the floor one more time. And this room will officially be finished and we will be moving into this space tomorrow. And then we go on in to the dining room, and we still need to sand and go back over with paint. We need to do the quarter round and also the crown molding, and then I need to go back over the dining room and the living room and do the ceilings again, touch them back up. And then we go into the second bedroom, and we need crown molding and quarter round also in here. And then I've got to find a door. I need a door for this bedroom, and then also a door for the first bedroom in here. I'm short that, so I've got to find one for the space. But then these rooms will all be finished. We come into the kitchen, and here we are. Gotta finish installing our IKEA cabinets. They have been the biggest they're gonna be great, but they have been difficult. And God bless Miss Kim and Miss Susan for helping us get them in here and set up and leveled out. They will be awesome. And then here's our glorious refrigerator. We got a really good deal on this refrigerator, praise the Lord. But we got tickled because it's so big. Like from the bathroom, you can see how far it like sticks out. We didn't realize just how big it was until home. The back room, still got some work to do. I also need to sand these floors. We're good on the trim. I think that's just going to be painted. I need to do blinds in here, and then we've got to get our washer and dryer put in. And so we were so close on getting all that finished. And then Mr. Doug did these guys. Aren't they cute? He did such a good job. And then we've got to frame out this area in here. And that goes into the second bedroom right there, if you can tell. And then we're into the bathroom. And so we've got to finish. We need crown molding and then the baseboards put down. Now we've got our little vanity, our toilet, little medicine cabinet mirror, and our overhead light. Here, I'm trying to figure out what's going to go in this little corner. I don't know if it'll be a piece of furniture or built-in cabinets maybe. We shall see. And then the bathtub. So proud of the bathtub. And if you notice, So the house settled and the bathtub was no longer level, so the back side dropped. And so we had to lift it up, and so that was our fix. But I like it though. It gives it a lot of character, and it now drains properly because it's a little bit above level, so that's nice. Need to get some blinds in here, and then we will be good to go. And so I think you've seen everything we've done. A few things that I wanted to share. If you were curious, the doors, I'm really loving the blue. This is Hill Navy by Benjamin Moore, if you're curious. And then the paint color, it is the same exact paint color throughout the entire house, and I'm a little tickled because in different lighting, during the day, at night, just the room lighting, it looks different. But it's the same throughout the house, and it is Valspar's Gravity. So there you go. And then the last thing that I want to share with you, if you're curious about stains, this is just something, I think Lowe's had it, but we also found it at Walmart too. This is the, let me see what it is. It's dark walnut. It's the polyurethane and stain by Rust-Oleum. So if you're curious, there you go. All right. So you've seen everything so far. So again, the next check-in, hopefully everything will be kind of, it won't be completely finished. I mean, is the house ever really completely finished? No, but the next time that I share the house, we will be moved in, and I'll get to show you the fun stuff, getting to decorate and all of the pretty little things, which will be great. So I will talk to you guys very soon. Until then, bye guys.